Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs spicy full guide. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk and a pinch of salt, then add chopped jalapeno or a dash of hot sauce to taste. Heat a non-stick pan on low, melt butter, and pour eggs in. Stir slowly to create soft curds, finish with fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lime for brightness and balanced heat all the way through. When choosing heat, think about flavor as much as spice level, so your eggs stay tasty, not just hot. Mild peppers add sweetness, medium peppers give a pleasant kick, and very hot peppers deliver strong heat quickly. Hot sauces offer predictable spice and can be added little by little, while toasting dried chilies brings smoky complexity. Adjust amounts to your tolerance and remember a little citrus can brighten and temper intense heat. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep spicy scrambled eggs, consider leak-proof containers to keep portions tidy and avoid messy lids in your fridge. These containers seal well, stack neatly, and make reheating individual servings simple on busy mornings. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Flavor boosters transform spicy eggs into a memorable dish without overshadowing heat. Cook garlic or shallot briefly before adding eggs to release aroma, then fold in cheese near the end for silky creaminess that rounds heat. Fresh herbs like cilantro or chives add brightness and counterbalance spice, while a squeeze of lime or dash of vinegar can lift flavors. Taste as you go so each element complements the chili rather than competes with it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.